the history of the Fort Abercromby. Right now we're about to fix back this toilet, clean up this whole thing here so that the kids will know about this history here, because we need to teach them more about our land. Right now he's walking up to Fort Abercrombie where we get the guns. So a little while you're going to see. By the meantime, you had a beautiful view on the side. All up to El Tucuch Mountain, as you can see right on the side here. And here you get the lookout point, where you have almost about 100 steps to go up on this side so that you can see La Filette Point and La Filette Beach as well. All the way back up on this side. So all of that will have to be maintained, cut clean, exercise for the people so that they can come and with the family and have a great time. That's my mission for a villager. I would like to do that. I will do it. I'm walking up to the guns here. We're going to have to do some serious work up here. But a way back ago, I used to hear the old people saying that it have a cave to the bottom of the hill down there. And it could bust out anywhere up in the mountains, but I've never been through it, so I don't know what more to say about that one. But we could adventure. Try something sometime. Right, these are the two guns that we saved so far. We have more down to the bottom of the hill and the bottom of the ocean, but I think
you're gonna take from here, right?
It's a really dangerous drop to the bottom. And the edge is breaking off, so don't put it up to the edge. Because the whole thing can break off the place. The rest of the history. Right. So on this side they used to shoot up all those pirate ships. They said they have a lot of ships out there with all kind of treasure and stuff like that. But as you know, they say, I never seen, I wasn't born at that time, but we like to know some more history about our country. Now we're walking down to area where you can come and do some fishing.
This way going down to where from here?
To a rock where you can chill out in the night, barbecue, chill your ride, bring your girlfriend, have a ball. I get that too, Loco.
Watch.
Yeah.
Boy, you just lost it a corner like that. Watch.
That's what took a look. What's the beauty? What does it mean? What does you want? Huh? This is pure natural beauty here. Pure natural beauty. Very from the chemicals. Now, this piece of rock we see on this side here, it's an island. It's separated from here. The water goes right around. It's deep, you won't be able to stand. If you're a good swimmer, you could reach on the next side. You can do your fishing, you can relax, put up your little barbecue pots. You know how it goes, but just be safe to the edge. And one day it's starting to up. Right on the side here, you can see like a little cave down on the side. Over here you can lie down, relax, just and listen to the waves just splashing the rock. Take away all stress. Have a wonderful day. You can see now it seems like it have a little cave set inside the back down there. See the cup there? If you watch in the corner there, seeing how the water is coming right around this island. I feel it's a beautiful place for me to live. Up on that mountain up there is the peak where you look out. Up there you used to have cannon guns and stuff too as well. Yes. So this is it. What have we got? And when it's back by the signs, you're going to take some more footage.